However, this real royalty guy was going to be an actual problem. From what it seemed, he was trying to buy literally everything on the auction, even going as far as bidding 800 total diamonds for an enchanted book. If I don't get this chicken, my kingdom is gone. Please.
He's the king, by the way.
900 diamonds. That's all we have.
Going once.
Please.
Going twice. 1,000? For anybody. Going once. Going twice.
100,000!
What?
Theo,
Yet.
what?
That's just 100 more.
Theo, pull this off? Our kingdom is in generational debt now, bro.